Affiliate marketing. I know you are here for earning a money, and Domain Racer affiliate program exactly helping you to get extraordinary income in your pocket. The process is extremely simple. I will not say watch this video, but I must say please watch the video. Why? Because in this video I am going to reveal the lot of factors. So that factors will solve all the possible solutions that needs to create a extra income in your blogging or YouTube career. So let's begin with the video. Basically, everybody will offer you a massive commission for a referral. We understand that. But have you understood one factor? If somebody is giving you a lot of money, like Bluehost offers you a $65 per sale, InMotion offer you $50, HostGator offers you $50 per sale. Do you think that actually helping your customer? We are not actually blaming, but we would like to say one factor so that every marketer should have to understand. So that is the one, if they are giving you a $65, then from where they are actually giving you the money? Obvious answer, they are taking a money from customer and they are giving to you. In simple, this is the extra money burden onto your visitors, and that actually creates the costly service in the market. If you go and check and compare Domain Racer with one of the biggest brands, you will get understand Domain Racer costing is the lowest and quality is the highest. Now come to the point. Do you wanted to sell service? You wanted to be a salesperson or you wanted to solve a problem of your visitors? That is depend on you. Now problems comes here. Let me tell you one simplest example that will blow your mind. Let me tell you what exactly this image is all about. In this image you can able to see that hundreds of fishes will be there and the only few people are serving them. So means the clarification is very clear. So in this case you can consider this as a biggest brand. They are actually giving you a small incentive, and for that small incentive there are thousands of people actually trying to promote them. And now you tell us who will get that money. Out of this 1000, only one person can able to get a one single sale. Means here your probability of getting a single sale is extremely low. For this, you can able to see here a graph. In this graph, it is clearly showing that the conversion level at the Bluehost, InMotion or a HostGator, you can see it is below 1%. Means if you are getting thousands of visitors, it is not getting converted. We really surprised with our conversion ratio. We have seen few of our affiliate marketers actually getting 18%, 21% conversion level. But here we had shown only 6%. That is almost 1200% extra conversion from the same traffic you are getting at a Domain Racer. We are not lying. In this video, we are trying to explain each and every perspective why Domain Racer conversion level is above 6%. That will change the stroke. And now the next part. If Domain Racer has a conversion level 6% and the other companies conversion levels are getting a below 1% or 1%, the what will be the impact onto your revenue? Here you can able to see that they are giving $65, $50, $50. But if I scroll down, you can able to see the income graph. That income actually clearly shows the service which actually get better conversion will get a better results. So now time comes why Domain Racer is the best. We don't lie. We wanted to show you live demonstrations. Okay, so before that I will show you some simplest few factors. Okay, so this is all about the commission levels. If I scroll down, you can able to see that we are getting 13.11% in the March 2020, and we do have a lowest possible refund ratio. So this will give you 100% surety that your money will be in your pocket. And one more thing I would like to share, I'm not saying only subscribe to affiliate program of Domain Racer. You can subscribe to their programs as well. Okay, we are free for the affiliate program, but while doing an affiliate program, you will surely understand how Domain Racer actually giving a lot of money in upcoming days. Basically, you should have to focus on the factors that customer needs, and definitely the in return you are getting extraordinary values, and that value we are trying to share with you. Now, if you scroll down, here we had added some proofs. We are not going into these details. And the one factor, please make sure that if you are joining any affiliate program, do not violate the terms and conditions, because we are giving a money to you because you are representative for a company and you are selling something to your customer. Don't lie with them, because if you are lying with them, so definitely it's create the impact on the business or business companies. So please do not lie with the customers. So whatever will be there, please share with your customers a genuine reviews so they can able to understand which service is best. So basically, if you think Domain Racer is the best, say best. If you think Domain Racer is bad, say bad. Okay, that is what we are trying to say. Now scroll up and let me try to say why we initially said Domain Racer is the best. There are numerous reasons. Just go to our web hosting page. The very first, they will get SSD hosting. Do you know SSD hosting? As per research, it is minimum 8 times faster than any other normal hosting service. Second, we knows our customer needs security, and we do offer directly free of cost, and that is called SSL certificate. So every customer, every plan will get free SSL. First benefit, they got SSD storage, means fastest speed. Second, SSL certificate. Third, they are getting Lightspeed technology. Do you know what is mean by Lightspeed technology? Let me show you. Here you can able to see that if the website running on Apache server and Lightspeed server, you will get a massive speed improvisations. Second, Apache perform this much and Lightspeed perform in a PHP level. If you are running a Perl based application, then Lightspeed perform. So this is all about the performance. So you can say that everybody offering a Apache based server, we do offer especially Lightspeed based. One of the main answer now I am going to reveal, we are providing the world best technology. How? Because currently only Google and Facebook have HTTP 3 based protocol, and we do offer HTTP 3 protocol. Because we, if you go and compare any hosting company, you will get they are offering you HTTP 2 based protocol, and Domain Racer specially offering HTTP 3 based protocol. So this is the third most reason. Fourth reason, our servers are built on a cloud-based infrastructure. Next, we do have minimum 5 security applications to secure the server, and in that the topmost is Immunify 360. Apart from this, we do have a email spam protection, bulk mailing protections, and Lightspeed name itself gives you a 20x fastest speed. And the last and the most important, our prices are extremely affordable, and that makes the stroke. If you are promoting a Domain Racer, then definitely you will get a 6% minimum conversion ratio. That is our guarantee. Now we understood why Domain Racer is different from all the brands available in the market. Now time for your help. Okay, if you are promoting the right company to a right customer, your conversion ratio will kill the market. We are extremely sure that if customer chosen a 10 different companies to purchase a service, and in that if a single time Domain Racer name comes, the 70% surety will be he will choose Domain Racer. Why? Because of all these features. And the last and the most important, our YouTube channel. We are very proud to say almost 95% problems in the web hosting industry already sorted by a domain racer YouTube channel. So basically, if you have any problem regarding speed, performance, servers, whatever problems will be there, we do have almost 95% problem solutions, and we proudly say we are ranking on the first place in the YouTube in the entire web hosting industry only for a quality. Hopefully, this information is enough to be a partner and help us to create a new infrastructure in the society. And as an affiliate, you can do very well. We are really appreciate and we are welcome you to the domain racer. Have a great day, and if you have any concerns, please do not forget to contact domain racer. We are always available for our customers.